Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. I am filming this on the 4th of July weekend. I live out in Arizona and we are back on lockdown, so there really isn't a whole lot to do, and of course no outside barbecues for us, way too hot. And I am playing catch up anyway, but I hope you guys, wherever you are enjoying. If you're having fireworks, that's totally awesome. I don't even think they're offering fireworks here. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this video and like its content. Tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future videos. I have some great new videos coming up. And what else? Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Oh, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty and your great comments that you leave me on my videos. So I have a Hygge box to unbox today. It's about $49.99 plus maybe some shipping. It's a monthly subscription box. I want to say it's like Norwegian themed, and it's full of some handmade goodies. They usually put a food item in there, which you know I'm all about my food, and just some really nice items. And I went out and I got a magnifying glass because I take the cards, and of course you know this is how I read, and I can't find good readers for my eyes, so now I can play Sherlock Holmes. So I tried to film this video like 2 or 3 times already, and I noticed the first time I went to film it, something had melted, which is not unusual for any boxes that I get here. So I really try to get to the mailbox right away, especially with my makeup subscriptions, because they're just a pile of goop by the time I get there. So I dug out the culprit, which turned out to be a candle that melted everywhere. So I won't be able to do the fancy display because I had to kind of go through everything. So I've got everything ready to go, and let's get started. So the theme of the box, a little magnifying glass, it goes this way. I think I got some candle on here too. And get focus, there we go. Planting sunshine. Every summer is a new story. Let's see, did I have it before? It perfect before. This is just going to be a disaster. Okay. Every summer is a new story, and this one will be memorable. Breathe in deeply and savor the smells of summer, the earthly scent of soil and sweet fragrance of flowers. So how wonderful is it to be living here and now, and then a scent of aroma, and they included this candle. Spend a summer in southern US, you'll recognize the first floral honey sweet aroma of our summer house candle. Well, the summer house candle did not quite make it. I just wanted to show you the great attempt. It smells great, and now my whole box smells of this. So they did make a nice attempt. Now they don't put prices on their items, but the box is definitely well worth it. So that was the first thing that was in my box. And then it goes on. Summer isn't summer without iced tea. Tea Pig's all-natural cucumber and apple cold brew infusion has been specifically made to brew quickly in cold water. Simply pop one in your water bottle or cup, and that's it. A super cooling and refreshing blend that's all naturally caffeine-free. Getting your 2 liters a day has never been easier or more delicious. Want more? Order 2 cold brews and get a 3rd for free, and they give you a code. And this is the bottle, and it's tea pigs, and this is the cucumber and apple tea. And as soon as I'm done filming, I am going to try this. And I have my iced tea cup, so I'm quite prepared. Okay, and then we go on, because we're all washing our hands a lot more these days. A new hand towel is welcomed, made from these magnifying glasses. Made from 100% cotton, twill woven together for added depth, durability, and gorgeous drape. This Hammond towel features a beautiful diamond and stripe design, making it perfect for an array of interior decor styles. Highly absorbent, lightweight, and dries quickly. And this is the towel. I like it as a runner, but here's the towel, so you can see it. And of course it smells like candle now, but actually this is a really nice towel, and I might put it in the guest bathroom. So I do like that, but of course I'm gonna have to wash it because of the debacle. And then the next, dreaming about a vacation on a tropical island. And while it may be some time before it becomes reality, our taste buds have been able to take that journey with Noosh Pineapple Mango Cake, a new kind of baked snack that will help you get off the sugar and carb roller coaster by satisfying your appetite with protein, fiber, and balanced fat. It's so fruity that if you close your eyes while chewing it, you just may take you to the tropics. And this is it. And along with my iced tea, I will be tasting this. So that looks good. They always put a really good food item in there, and I never say no. Then we go on to, speaking of tropical things, your senses will be pleased with the Maui Kiss Luffa soap. It's an amazing, handcrafted with Pacific Ocean sea salt and kuki oil. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. This tropical loofah inside each soap is rich lathering and great exfoliating body scrub and cleanser. No phthalates and 100% vegan. Not sure how to pronounce that word, but look at this. This, you just loofah it in the shower, but this smells good. Can't tell if it has any candle on it, but it smells really. And there's just I think one more item left, or 2 more items left. Yeah, if you get the deluxe box, which is what I have, it includes sheltering in place, means more meals at home. Cozy up the table setting with this gorgeous set of 4 delicate foliage dinner napkins. And when we're able to get closer again, let's promise to be grateful for sharing meals with our favorite people. And this did get some candle on here. So I'm showing you the back of the pack, but look at how pretty those are. I would definitely just leave these out. I have placemats that I leave out on my table, so I might just leave these out for decoration. So we got the napkins and this beautiful hand towel. This is going in my shower, this little scrubber thing, because I haven't heard of that before. And the tea, this will be gone. And I'm going to email them. I'm sure they have great customer service. I know it's not their fault it came melted, but I'm going to see if they'll just send me another one because I just love my candles. So let me know what you thought of this box, and you guys have an awesome weekend, and we'll see you next video.